students, here is one more maths activity about the circles. Theory you have studied in class 9th maths. The property is angle subtended by an arc of the circle at its center is twice the angle subtended by the same at any point of that circle. Okay, here if this is a circle, let us center of the circle is O. I have chosen one arc PQ. Then the property, the theorem says that this arc PQ, when we are joining it to the center, angle subtended by this arc at the center is angle POQ. Now, same arc PQ at one point of the circle M, you can choose any point arbitrarily here, on the circumference of the circle. I have chosen M. So, if I am joining these 2 points to this point M, then angle formed at this point by the same arc PQ is angle PMQ. And the above property says angle subtended at the center is twice angle subtended at any point of the circumference. Arc is same. That means angle PMQ and angle POQ are related like this. So this angle is twice angle at the circumference. So we are going to prove it using our paper cutting activity. For this, cut 2 circles of any radius of your choice. Here I have 2 circles with me. Well, here I have shown their boundaries very clearly. The 2 circles are exactly identical. Okay, exactly identical, so that we can show whatever is drawn here, we are doing for one circle only. Okay, that's why I had drawn the replica. Now see, I have not drawn these circles using the compass. I just chose a circular object and then drew the boundary. So how to find its center? The first thing. That also we are finding using the paper folding activity. So here is my circle. I will fold it like this, so that these 2 parts are covering each other. This is giving me diameter. Correct? Again, now folding it from some other point, not from here, but from any other point. So that equally in 2 parts. And now pressing it properly. When you will open it, you will find that the earlier diameter and the new one, they are meeting at one point here. This is the center of the circle. So you can find center of any circle using this paper folding activity. Okay, same way you can find the center of this circle also. I am going to mark it. Actually, I need to use it here. Now these 2 diameters are intersecting each other at this point. I am marking it with the mark so that you may see it clearly. Here it is. Again, here is the center. Now next thing is, we have to take any arc. Well, here I am choosing the arc like this. See, when I am drawing, I am putting the other circle also below it, so that both the circles having the same length of arc. I told you, we are doing the same work here. Well, you can see this marking here also. Here it is. Now, joining this arc, these 2 ends of the arc to the center, so that I can get the angle formed by the arc at the center. Here, one more. I have chosen a smaller arc, that's why the angle is also small. Here also the same thing with the other circle. Okay, here it is. Now you can select any point on the circle, any point of your choice, and join it with the 2 points of the arc. Here it is. Well, I'm so sorry. Here like this. By chance this line segment is passing from the center, so if you want you can select any other point which is, so that this line joining the arc to the point at the circumference is not passing from the center. The point may be like this. Well, leaving this point and taking this. Here this point at the circumference, now I am joining okay. So this is the angle formed at the circumference, this is the angle formed at the center. My aim is to show that this angle twice is forming this angle. So I will be cutting 2 copies of this angle and I will try to paste it here. Let us cut 2 copies. Along these arms of the angle, I am cutting it. You may select a circle of bigger radius. Well, here is 1. Here is this angle. And now the same angle I am cutting from the other circle also, keeping it here, or you can join it with the arc, and then I will get the second copy of the same angle. Here my angle was, I cut one of the arm and now cutting the other one. Here it is, the second arm. Okay, now see, if you are pasting these 2 parts, same angle here at the center. This was the first one, that is the blue one, and the other one is this orange one. Please check exactly covering the angle which was formed at the center. Well, this color is same as that of at the center. So to make it very clear, you can cut one more angle from this other circle and you can show it pasting here that the angle formed at the center is covered exactly when you are repeating twice the angle which is formed at the circumference by the arc.